Pinterest is essentially a giant visual search engine launched in the year 2010. It's visual Twitter. Pinterest is also a visual bookmarking tool. Visual content not only referring to video and photo in a broad sense but content of a aesthetic nature or dependent on visual consumption. Think art, craft, design, photos, fashion, even great website designs. Something just cannot be communicated efficiently through anything other than showing it. There are two options when you sign up for a Pinterest account. You can do it either as an individual or a business. Both accounts are for free. However, the business profile gives you an access to analytics tools that are unavailable otherwise. Many bloggers, business owners, and companies carefully maintain their Pinterest boards. It's like a business card saying, "That's my style, look at me." Pinterest integrates with your website, Twitter account, and Facebook profile. We can open Pinterest account using Facebook account or Gmail account or putting email password and creating new account. This social network that allows users to visually share and discover new interest by posting, known as pinning on Pinterest, images or video to their own or others' board. That is a collection of pins, usually with a common theme, and browsing what other users have pinned. This is the home page. Clicking today, we can see today's pin. The next one is following, which shows you can find people to follow. By clicking the bell icon, we can see our updates. Clicking message icon, we can chat or send messages. By clicking this button, we can add another account, block business tools, change our setting, that is edit profile, account setting, privacy policy, and security, etc. In the search bar, we can search any topic of our interest. By clicking plus button, we can create our own pin. Also, we can add our title and drag and drop or click to upload photo here. By clicking this three dot, we can download image, report pin, or get embedded code here. We can save any pin in our previously created board, or we can create a new board for particular photos. By clicking profile, we can see all our created boards. Entering into any board, we can open and see all our saved pins in that board. We can copy link or directly send pin to our friends via WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Also, we can directly send pin to our friends with Pinterest accounts. Student can research and gather articles and images related to a wide variety of topics, and we can able to organize them on boards using Pinterest and then browse this bookmarked image as needed. Each bookmark or pin links back to its original website sources. Pinterest is a great searching machine too. People use it to discover and save ideas. Of course, it is useful for a teacher as well as students. It helps a student in many ways. It helps in doing lesson planning projects, assignment, organizing, and lot more. Make plan for the future. Whether you are a kindergarten teacher or parent looking for activities you have not heard of yet, Pinterest has it. When a person wants infographic about social media, a quick search on Pinterest turns up dozens of good options. Likewise, simply scrolling through your feed reveals all the latest pin from your contacts. That's why Pinterest is an easy inspiration source for a wide range of topics. Pinterest is a fantastic tool, and this is the first widely adopted app that makes this sharing and consumption of visual content really simple, addictive and fun. Hope you will enjoy your learning with Pinterest.